Take a look at this absolutely awesome 2018 Lincoln Navigator. Now these new Navigators have kind of taken the SUV world by storm, and this one is the top of the line black label. So they literally don't get any nicer than this. This one came to us just as you see it, of course, and it's got a little over 40,000 miles on it. Four-wheel drive, and as I mentioned, it is indeed a black label. It does have the 22-inch factory wheels on it instead of the 20s. It does have the retractable running boards, which of course, as it's sitting here, you can see that they are in right now. You can turn that off in the driver information center, so if you prefer to have them stay out, you can certainly do that. These trucks absolutely run and drive awesome. They're comfortable. The technology is excellent in them. The trucks really kinda sell themselves. But we'll show you some more of the goodies here inside. So this one, being the black label, of course, does have the massaging seats. It's all adjustable right here. And of course, heated seats, cooled seats, the massaging seats, as I mentioned. Now this has the mahogany leather interior that is very, very rich looking. This, of course, the full-length sunroof there. Now there is a shade that will go over that. So if it's a hot day and you don't want the sun beating in, you can fix that. Show you the dash here quick. So currently showing 42,185. Those miles may change as sometimes these late model vehicles do get driven here. There's your heated and cooled seats and automatic climate, navigation. Sirius XM radio is currently still active on this truck as well. This particular truck is equipped with the rear bucket seats and the optional center console. Again, there's another look at the sunroof. This truck's been very, very well taken care of. There's little to no wear to be found on any of the seats, on the carpets, or anything like that. Exceptionally clean truck. We'll open the hatch here for you. Now the third seat is currently folded down, and there is a nice WeatherTech mat back here that keeps everything covered up. There you can see the third seat sitting there. You've got controls for those over here that allows you to, I can raise that up here quick. Of course that mat is just going to come up with it, but I'll show you how it works anyway. There you go. There's one of the seats. Headrest up. Ready for the third row passengers. You can see all the still pictures of this truck on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. We do accept trade-ins, whether it's a classic car or a late model trade. We have financing available. This vehicle is also eligible for extended service contract. Again, all the pictures of this truck will be on the website at uniqueclassiccars.com.